Welcome. In front of me is a TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to remove the battery in this device. So to do it, I'm just gonna lock the device, not that it really matters because I'm gonna in a second take it out anyway. And in the right bottom corner you will have the place where you can kind of put your fingernail, just so you can pull off the cover. Not sure if it's visible clearly on the video, but you do it like so. And from here you can just put your finger right here and lift it up like so. The battery comes out without any problem. And when you're going to be putting back in, make sure the easiest way to do it is basically make sure that the logo is the correct position, because you have the pins right here and they have to go in this corner. So make sure you put the battery basically the same way. It shouldn't fit any other way because of like these basically things right here, but so it should go in easy. That's basically what I'm trying to say. And once you have put it in, you can then turn on the phone, which I'm actually gonna put the cover on, so I can press the button. Okay, as you can see now it's turning on. So that's basically how you take out the battery and put it back in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.